Hi, good evening everyone. I'm harshitha. I'm pursuing first year MBA in GM Institute of Technology. Today I'm here to present a topic in marketing management that is a black box model of consumer behavior. Before moving to black box model of consumer behavior, let us know what is consumer behavior. Consumer behavior is the study of individual groups and organization and the processes they use to select, use, and dispose to satisfy their needs are termed as consumer behavior. Now let's go to the black box model of consumer behavior. There are mainly two components which makes the black box model of consumer behavior important. That is, let me share my screen. Hmm. Here is my presentation slides. Content of my topic is Introduction to Black Box Model of Consumer Behavior, its meaning, the consumer decision process, and finally the conclusion. Introduction of Black Box Model Consumer Behavior. The Black Box Model considers the buyer's response as a result of a conscious, rational decision process in which it is assumed that the buyer has recognized the problem. Meaning, the black box model of consumer behavior identifies the stimuli responsible for buyer behavior. The meaning of stimuli is the advertisement and other forms of promotion about the product, which influences the consumers for purchasing of a product that is presented to the consumer by the marketer. As I said in the earlier, it consists of two subcomponents, that is the buyer's characteristics and the buyer decision process. In this picture, we can clearly know about what is black box model of consumer behavior. Stimuli stands for external factors. In external factors, we will talk about marketing mix and environmental factors, how that influences the consumer. Black box model includes all internal factors, that is the buyer's characteristics, their behaviors, attitudes, beliefs, motives, and perception. And along with that, it consists of decision making process, how consumer makes decision while purchasing up of a product. The internal factors affecting consumer decisions are described as the black box. This box contains a variety of factors that exist inside the person's mind. These include characteristics of the consumer, such as their beliefs, values, motivation, lifestyle, and so forth. Let us move to the consumer decision process. First point is need recognition. Whenever a consumer need to buy, before moving to need recognition, first we should know what is need. Actually, need is a necessity for survival of a consumer. So the first stage is need recognition. What made the consumer to purchase that product? The first step of the consumer decision process is recognizing that there is a problem or unmet need and that this need warrants some action. Whether we act to resolve a particular problem depends upon two factors. That is the magnitude of the difference between what we have and what we need, the importance of the problem. Second one is information search. After recognizing a need, the prospective consumers may seek information to help identify and evaluate alternative product services experience. Information may come from any number of sources. It may be either from family, friends, search engines, personal observation, consumer reports, salespeople, etc. And the third point is evaluation of alternatives. We can get n number of products with n number of brands in available in the market. When a customer made up a mind to purchase some product, obviously he gonna evaluate both the brands to get a better product. As a consumer finds and processes information about the problem she is trying to solve, she identifies the alternative products, services, and outlets that are viable option. The next step is to evaluate these alternatives and make a choice, assuming a choice is possible that meets the consumer's financial and psychological requirements. Fourth one is the purchase decision. Often, when searching and evaluating, consumers at some point have to decide whether they are going to buy. Anything marketers can do to simplify purchasing will be attractive to buyers. For example, in advertising, marketers might suggest the best size of product for a particular use or the right wine to drink with a particular food. The last and final step in decision making process is post purchase behavior. Actually, this step matters more in a consumer behavior Because if a consumer is fully satisfied, he will promote that brand or a product to his friends, neighborhood, etc. If he is not satisfied, he will stop or he will oppose them in purchasing up of that particular product or a brand. That's what states here. All the behavior determinants and the steps of buying process up to his point take place before or during the time a purchase is made. However, a consumer's feeling and evaluations after the sale are also significant to a marketer because they can influence repeat sales and what the customer tells others about a product or brand. This is the image of a consumer decision making process where we can see all the five steps here. And the last is conclusion. The black box model of consumer behavior provides a valuable framework for understanding how external stimuli influence consumer decisions. By focusing on the black box of the consumer's mind, this model highlights the interplay between external influences and internal processes. Thank you. Are you still there? ಆಗೈತಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ